Right, welcome to a very autumnal scene in the workshop today, and today our first ID Buzz. So this is a 2023 Buzz that is coming for a factory reversing camera. Actually, it's very similar to like ID3s and stuff like that. So let's pop round the back, we'll have a quick look at the camera, and then we'll jump in and show you it all working inside. So as amusing as it would be to have the emblem as the camera, like some massive clown badge going on, it's not. It is just a standard little grab handle, similar to transporters and, well, no, not even a transporter actually, more like a, I can't think now. Whatever cars have these, yeah, A3s of like Audis and stuff like that, they have a similar grab handle with moulded in camera. So it's not even like it's a separate camera like on a transporter or anything like that. But yeah, it's just replacement grab handle, cabling all gets run through as normal, all the way through the grommets and everything, and then along with the factory cabling and down to the front, all coded in. So let's go and have a look at it on the funky screen inside. Right then, here we are in well, a dentist's waiting lounge really, isn't it? With how white and similar blue it all is. It's that kind of feeling, isn't it? But here we are in the front of an ID Buzz. And as I said, it basically is all very similar to like an ID3 and all that sort of stuff. So we'll put it into reverse. Camera comes up. We've got our front and rear parking sensors on the right here, obviously with your sweeping lines as always, and then obviously your camera, also with your moving guidelines. And then you've got your standard parking view that we're on at the moment, and then down here we can go to a wide screen, and then that gives us a nice wide view so that we can see either side. But obviously because it's distorting the image, it can't give you the guidelines at the same time. And it just works in exactly the same way as all the others. Basically stays on between reverse and drive whilst you're maneuvering, and then as soon as you pull away and get above 10 miles an hour, it turns itself off. But yeah, there we go. That's just made this vehicle a lot easier to maneuver and park. And I think the customer's going to be very happy with it, as is his wife apparently. So yeah, there we go, ID Buzz 2023. If you've got a car like this or anything else that you would like something like this fitted to, then please get in touch, fill out the contact form, give us all the details of the vehicle, and we can help you out from there. In the meantime, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.